Hello dear viewer, it's MiWiJa and I'm happy to see you there in the episode where I'm going to do a redraw of one of my first digital drawings that I've ever made. To make you understand, I made some digital drawings before. I did 3 before, like 1 year before I did this one. But with this drawing I really started to do digital art. It's because I put my own graphic designs. So I was just wondering, 1 year passed and how could it look like if I drew the same drawing now? It's my first redraw in digital art because I made some in traditional art already and you can find some of them on DeviantArt. And I really love doing redraws. It's a good thing to do for me when I want to draw but I don't have any inspiration. So then I can just look back at my old drawings and try to make up the mistakes that I made in the past. Talking about mistakes, I would like to mention the mistakes I made in the first drawing, so if there are any young souls that are learning how to draw in digital, they could grasp what they could do wrong. Yeah, I'm not the master, but maybe this will be helpful for you. I wanted to redraw this drawing, of course, because it had some mistakes. And the first one was the size was too small. Sometimes your drawings, it's good if they have small size, but you can always make something smaller in digital art, not the opposite. So the size at the beginning was 512 per 512 pixels, and for me, for what I wanted to do with this drawing, it wasn't enough. And the second mistake that I made is not using any reference picture. And that's not really a mistake in digital art, it's just a mistake at all, because I'm still learning and I know I should use references to make art, to draw people, to draw actually anything, because thanks to this I can learn something and I can make things look correct, because our memory isn't perfect and we didn't create this world, we just live there. So the other mistake was that the colors that I used are really simple. I used almost only basic colors. They're not basic colors, it's not just yellow, blue and red, but still, I used the colors you had in your crayon set when you were in kindergarten, and that could be nice, but for this drawing you can see that the eyes are just looking like eyes of a chicken from Looney. I don't remember the name. You've got beautiful 2 minutes of relaxing and watching the speed paint if you want. I'll come back in about 2 minutes, just I got some stuff to do. Did you see this on my roof? Isn't it this chick with big blue eyes? I will be right back, I just need to find it. See you! I remember! His name was Tweety, and I found him! Yay! Quick, quick! Oh, did you hear him? Oh, so I think we can come back with the video and my talking. Let's see what will be there. Another mistake when you look at the handy hand, it's that I didn't use the whole potential of Paint tool side. So if you don't use the whole potential of the software that you use for drawings, it can be also, to be honest, in traditional art. For example, if you would give some copics to a 5-year-old child, of course the child could draw something with it, but it wouldn't be even comparable to what, let's say, Masashi Kishimoto, creator of Naruto, can do it then, and he can make amazing stuff. So here I was a bit like this 5-year-old child that got something that wasn't made for it yet. But I was learning. At this moment I really didn't know how to do line art. To be honest, even to this day I really struggle with it in digital art. I think I'm getting better, but still it is a bit... no, it's so. And because of this, you see, the drawing looked as it did, but when I made it, I was really proud of it, because it was the first digital drawing, and I didn't really get yet that I had the power of using all the colors around the world. I mean, all the colors that I could see on my computer, all the colors that I didn't draw in, I don't know, I didn't draw in UV. So not all the colors, but it's not a color, it's a wave of light. Okay, never mind. Still, the computer can't see all the colors, but almost all the colors that are possible in the world. So in the end, I was happy with the drawing when I made it. It's been a year, and I'm also happy with what I did this year, even if there are some stuff that I don't like about it. It just looks too flat for me. But it's logic it does, because the basic drawing didn't have any texture and I just wanted to do a redraw. I didn't want to change the drawing too much. And I hope I did it well. I hope that you like this. And if you made any redraw or you want to do, I would like to see some. I will also mention it on DeviantArt, because it's really exciting for me to look at works of other artists that I can talk to. That's truly amazing. So I hope my little talking about the mistakes, about the drawing itself, was nice for you. I just wanted to mention the mistakes so all the young artists that maybe could watch it, they can grasp what they can do wrong when they start with digital art, because I know that there may be more people who do the same thing. So what's the solution? Use the bigger size, use the reference picture, be crazy with colors, but also follow the nature, how it is in nature, then you can take it and do whatever you want with that. And last but not least, use the whole potential of the software you use. And you can find many tutorials or anything on the amazing place called internet, even here on YouTube. I was just drawing some speed paints of other artists and it really helped me. I was just following and trying to understand what they were doing. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, wherever it was. I really enjoyed making it. I really enjoyed talking to you right now, so if you enjoyed it a little bit too, I'm really happy. I hope you will go to check more of my art on DeviantArt. Maybe you'll come there the next time on YouTube, and then see you later, dear viewer. Bye bye. Boom boom.